Hi, second graders. Have you had a good week? Ready to do some more learning today? We're going to read a story that tells us how to make something that I think you're going to enjoy. A few weeks ago, we talked about synonyms, words that mean the same. This week, we're going to focus on words that are opposite. Do you know what these are called? Synonyms the same, antonyms are opposite. Here are some examples of antonyms. Good, bad, begin, end, rich, poor, happy, sad, asleep, awake, walk, run, sit, stand. So this week, each day I want you to choose a few of these words and think of an antonym. I'll give you a hint. All the answers are somewhere in your story this week. So you can check your answers by going back to the book to see if you can find that word. I'm going to read through these words: down, worst, hot, loosely, wrong, boring, walking, large, many, sour, clean, closed, forget, hard, gross, winter. Okay, so each day, take a few of those words, see if you can think of the antonym, the opposite, and then go back in your story to see if you can find that word in the story. So our story this week is called How to Make Ice Cream. It's a nonfiction story, so it's going to give us information. We're going to see some nonfiction text features like a table of contents, headings, bold print, and a glossary at the end that can help you find the meanings of the words in bold print. You can make homemade ice cream, and this book is going to tell us how to do it. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need. The first step is to gather all of those ingredients. The book will tell you what to do each step of the way. When you're finished, you'll get to enjoy your ice cream. Now you're going to read the story. I'm only going to pause a few seconds, so make sure you pause your video for each page, and then you can move on when you're ready to. Do you think you could make ice cream? Sometimes nonfiction books explain how to do something. We could fill in a graphic organizer to help us understand the steps to making the ice cream. We could fill in each box to show all the steps in order. You can make one on a piece of paper like mine with just some squares. And go back to the story and then fill in each step. This week, I want you to practice writing steps for a how-to. You can use the same kind of organizer for your ideas. Here are some ideas that you can write about. How to make cookies, how to build a snowman, how to build a fort, how to play Go Fish or any other game, how to make your bed, how to tie your shoes, or you can choose one of your own. Anything that has a series of steps will work. Make sure you use complete sentences and you give all the details so that someone would be able to read it and follow the directions. Make sure you send me a picture in Dojo so I can see if I can follow your directions. So this week, you're going to work with your antonyms. You're going to come up with an antonym for each word and then check your answer by looking for it in the story. You're also going to plan out your steps for writing a how to do something of your choice, using your complete sentences and practicing good sentence structure. Until next week, have fun, stay learning. I'm going to go make some brownies, so I should probably make sure I follow those steps very carefully. Have a good week.